What's up guys, TechTeen here and welcome to my another video. In this video I will show you how to fix FPS drop and lag in Forza Horizon 3. As Forza Horizon 3 is badly optimized for PC, so this we can't able to play in low PC. And I have recently installed in my PC and I experienced little lag and FPS drop in Forza Horizon 3. So I have found 3 possible ways to fix this. So let's get started. So what you have to do is go to nvidia control panel and in program setting tab select for Forza Horizon 3 from drop down menu, and in power management mode select prefer maximum performance and turn off the shader cache and click apply. Now while your game is running you have to go to task manager and in details tab select Forza x64 release.exe and right click and set priority to high, and now you have to set affinity and disable the CPU 0. Download Ragnarok low spec experience, link is given in description. Now open this and select low specs experience premium. Now new window will open. In this click on optimization catalog and select Forza Horizon 3 from drop down menu and click on load optimization package. Now it is asked for extraction of some file, extract it to desktop or anywhere else. After extracting, go to the location where you extract the file and move all the file into Forza Horizon directory. Open Ragnarok control panel. Now you see Forza Horizon 3 is written above the window. That means now you can optimize Horizon 3 and choose method of optimization from the drop down menu. You can choose any resolution which is suitable for you. After selecting optimization, click on execute optimization. Now you can open the game and see changes, but you notice that this optimization disable the shadow, which make game look creepy. So don't worry, you can turn on shadow from setting video option under advanced setting tab, so it don't impact on your game performance. You can get playable FPS. So thanks for watching video guys. I hope this step will work for you. Still, if you are getting problem, you can comment down below. I will answer them. If it work, give a video a like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care.